Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Belilent water shoes. You can get this product on Amazon for about $25. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It's a lightweight and good-looking shoe. I tested the water shoes for about a week and I think it's a very good product. They are lightweight and comfortable to wear, they dry really fast, and they don't look too bad. So if you're looking for some lightweight, quick-drying water shoes, which you can use for water sports, exercise or at the beach, I would recommend the Belilent water shoes. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.